To record a remedy purchase on Herdwatch, select the plus sign on your home screen and select Remedy Purchase. From here, you will see a full list of all available medicines. You can also use the scan function on your phone and scan the barcode of the remedy, or else if the medicine is not available on the list, you have the option to create the medicine by selecting this option. For the purpose of the demo, we will select Alleamycin. If you've previously purchased this remedy, it'll allow you to copy the details from the previous purchase. So if it's a case that you want to copy the previous details, select yes. From here, just input your date of purchase. By selecting the date, it will always allow you to backdate your purchase. Enter your unit of measure, the quantity that you have purchased, and where you supplied it from. Any fields that are highlighted in orange are a required field for this task. You have optional fields that are black heading that you can fill in as well. From here, as you can see, the withdrawal is already pre-populated as we copied it from the previous purchase. Scrolling down, if you're using this as a sheep treatment as well, you can select the sheep option and input your sheep withdrawals. When it comes to your batch number, you can manually input your batch number, or else you can use the scan option on your phone and scan the QR code in the packaging. This will update the batch number and the expiry date. If not, you can manually enter your expiry date by selecting the date option here and inputting the field. If you want to input your cost or who purchased it, you can also fill in those details, as well as inputting some notes, or if you want to upload an image of the bottle, you can do so. Once happy with your details, select Save. If there's any areas that you haven't filled in that are required, it'll prompt you to go back and fill in the required field. If it's a case that you're using this vet frequently, the app may ask you if you want to set this as your main vet. Once you're happy again, select Save, and that's the purchase created.